EcoCarry, we are working on two basic missions. One is we are trying to conserve the environment by upcycling single-use plastic like biscuit packets, chips packets, gift wrappers, e-com packets. And now we have started using audio and video cassettes also. And the second part of the mission is that we are enabling livelihood of women and youth by teaching them how to use charkha and handloom for the upcycling process. So once the plastic is there in the unit, the first thing which we do here is these are washed, sanitized, and then dried under the sun. The complete process is manual. There's no machine being used, no extra energy being consumed. So then after drying, we sort them color-wise as well as the gauge-wise. Once that is done, we cut them using a pair of scissors into long strips. These strips are then rolled onto charkha, the traditional charkha, and then woven on handloom to get the fabric out of it.